The SafetySpear is an Australian invention that stops falling drill rods in underground mining. The hazard of falling production drill rods is a known safety hazard in underground mines worldwide. Plating over and grouting is ineffective and prone to operator mistakes. The SafetySpear is an innovative, lightweight and profoundly strong solution to underground mining's falling drill rod hazard. It is light, simple and fast to install without the need for any additional equipment. Here's how to install it. Please read and follow the installation instructions provided with each SafetySpear. The SafetySpear is installed into the hole that contains the hazard, pushed into the blast hole by the long hole rig itself. Ensure the drill rig is located and aligned correctly with the hole containing the hazard. Step 2. Close the rig's pitot jaws completely to guard against the rods escaping unexpectedly. Step 3. Turn the rig off, then screw the reusable installation dolly onto the drifter shank. Insert the SafetySpear onto the installation dolly. Step 4. Restart the rig and open the pitot jaws. Move the SafetySpear and the dolly all the way through them. Lock the pitot jaws around the dolly only. Retract the drifter, load the next rod on, ready for installation. Step 5. Recheck the alignment of the hole to ensure the SafetySpear is directed into the hole undamaged. Step 6. Carefully insert the SafetySpear into the bore hole. Once the base contacts the rock, push the SafetySpear all the way into the hole. No rotation required. Install the SafetySpear at least 1.5 metres into the rock, or until competent rock is found. Use percussion only if necessary. The SafetySpear will self-engage if driven into the back of the hazard. Withdraw the dolly and the rods, leaving the SafetySpear in place. Installation is now complete. One SafetySpear can be used for a hole drilled up to 25 metres in depth, or continue to be driven until it self-engages into the bogged rods. Stop pushing once the SafetySpear just contacts the hazard. A reflective base helps in-hole inspection for size and location. The SafetySpear's catch, control to stop design has two separate sections. A leading end, which does the braking, and a trailing end that acts as a triggering mechanism to make the braking happen. When the falling drill rods strike the leading end, this pushes all the way through to the trailing end, expanding the slat rings to increase their grip on the bore hole. As more downward force is applied, the slat rings ramp up their resistance. This will reach a triggering point that starts the softer leading end to expand out over one another, deform and swell out against the wall of the bore hole, to both cushion the impact and to act as a braking mechanism. This decelerates the falling rods to a stop and holds them in the hole.